Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the left we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let's simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see the icon will change slightly, so all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button. And from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn off the timer. Simply tap on this option and tap on this icon without any kind of countdown, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.